Flexible remote jobs, perfect for adults over 60. Experience becomes your advantage. Many people believe that once you pass 60, the job market stops looking for you. That belief is simply not true. In fact, many companies today actively look for mature professionals because they bring something technology can't replicate: judgment, reliability, patience, life experience. And the best part? Many of these roles can be done from the comfort of your home, with flexible hours and no college degree required. Today we're going to explore 10 rewarding remote jobs that adults over 60 can start learning quickly, some even within a day. These opportunities value wisdom, communication skills, and real-world experience. Let's begin. 1. Digital Project Coordinator. If you've ever managed people, organized tasks, or kept projects moving forward, this role may feel very natural. A digital project coordinator helps guide remote teams such as writers, designers, or developers. Your role may include organizing schedules, checking project progress, helping solve problems when delays occur, making sure everyone stays on track. Companies love mature professionals in this role because good judgment and leadership are essential. Typical pay ranges from $25 to $40 per hour. Full-time positions can exceed $60,000 per year. 2. Proofreader or copy editor. If you've always had a sharp eye for detail and enjoy reading, proofreading may be an excellent fit. Proofreaders review written content such as blog articles, marketing material, books, website content. Your job is to spot grammar mistakes, spelling errors, awkward wording, unclear sentences. This type of work is always in demand online. Average earnings, $20 to $30 per hour. Retired teachers, administrators, and strong communicators often excel here. 3. Online fact checker or research specialist. Businesses, journalists, and authors constantly need reliable information. A remote researcher verifies facts, gathers data, and ensures that information used in publications is accurate. Typical responsibilities include verifying sources, researching statistics, checking claims before publication, gathering reliable information. People who enjoy reading and investigating details often thrive in this role. Typical pay, $18 to $28 per hour. 4. Website or app tester. This is one of the easiest remote roles to begin. Companies want to know how real users experience their websites and apps. As a website tester, you simply browse a website, test its features, speak your thoughts aloud, explain what works well or what feels confusing. You record your screen while doing this. Each test usually takes 10 to 20 minutes. Typical pay, $10 to $50 per test. All you need is a computer, internet access, the ability to clearly explain your thoughts. 5. Resume and career document writer. Millions of job seekers struggle to explain their experience clearly. That's where resume writers help. In this role, you interview job seekers, learn their background, help them present their experience professionally. Many mature professionals do extremely well here because they understand career progression and workplace expectations. Typical freelance rates, $50 to $150 per resume. 6. Virtual bookkeeper. Small businesses constantly need help managing finances. A virtual bookkeeper keeps track of financial records such as expenses, invoices, payments, account balances. Many bookkeepers work from home using software like QuickBooks. Typical earnings, $20 to $40 per hour. Great for retired accountants, former business owners, anyone comfortable working with numbers. 7. Genealogy Researcher. If you enjoy history and solving mysteries, genealogy can become both fascinating and profitable. Genealogy researchers help people discover their family heritage. Tasks may include tracing family records, building family trees, locating historical documents, identifying distant relatives. This work often combines research, storytelling, and history. Typical freelance rates, $25 to $75 per hour. 8. Online Community Moderator. Many online communities need experienced individuals to help maintain positive discussions. As a community moderator, you may welcome new members, answer questions, guide conversations, remove inappropriate content. This role suits people who enjoy helping others and maintaining friendly environments. Typical pay, $15 to $25 per hour. 9. Medical billing advocate or claims assistant. Healthcare bills and insurance claims can be extremely confusing. A medical claims assistant helps individuals understand and correct their medical bills. Responsibilities may include reviewing billing statements, identifying incorrect charges, contacting insurance companies, helping clients recover overpayments. Many professionals charge premium rates if they help clients recover large amounts. Average pay, around $20 plus per hour, sometimes significantly more. 10. Independent Care Coordination Advisor. Many families need help organizing care for aging relatives. A care coordinator helps families manage tasks such as scheduling appointments, arranging meal services, coordinating transportation, organizing support services. People with backgrounds in caregiving, healthcare, administration, or family support often succeed here. Typical pay, $20 to $35 per hour. The real advantage of workers over 60. If you look closely at these opportunities, you'll notice something important. They rely on qualities that technology cannot easily replace. Experience, communication, empathy, judgment, reliability. These are strengths that many seasoned professionals naturally possess. You don't need a new degree. You don't need years of retraining. You simply need the willingness to apply your life experience in new ways. And for many people, these remote opportunities provide not only extra income, but also purpose, flexibility, and independence. Your most valuable career chapter may still be ahead of you. Thank you for watching this presentation. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who will be interested in this information.